Here you can see several 25mm water pipes which have been installed to feed the industrial units on this site. The site itself is historically an industrial site, and for that reason Severn Trent Water decided, after reading the ground report, that we had to install barrier pipe. These services are barrier pipe services, and you can tell that because of the sort of reddy-brown line that's running through the pipe work. If the developer had gone ahead and put standard polyethylene in, the network owner would have turned up on the day to do the connections, and they would have left site and put us back in the queue to start again, and everything would have had to be dug back out so that the right specification of service pipe was installed. In Severn Trent's area, it's not like Yorkshire Water where you just tape the ends of the pipes up. You have to install mechanical stop ends. It's a specification requirement. And again, if you don't follow the specification requirements, they're not obliged to do the connection work. On these particular pipes, you'll see red tape running around them. Now, it's a very simplistic way of doing things, but what these do is represent the number of the plot. So you'll see on this one we got number 1, on this one we got number 4, this one we got number 5, this one we got number 6. This one hasn't got the markings on, they fell off, so we would have to go back to the other end and we would have to do a little bit of work to identify which unit this one runs to. If Severn Trent Water turn up and these aren't labelled, they aren't numbered, they don't have the caps on, it's the wrong specification of pipe, they simply won't do the connection. And for you who are working within a build programme, you will experience delays and you will experience costs for an aborted visit and for coming back again.